All right, so we just got the Pixel. We are going to unbox it and pretty much get on this side of the table. I forgot that I had ordered the white one. Let's go ahead and peel this. Boom. And obviously just the box here. And what you get in the box is pretty much just a USB-C cable, the adapter here, pretty much all you get, and the little handbook thing. So that is it for this. Boom, you can see the side buttons here, power button, volume button, USB-C, speakers. Nothing on this side. SIM card tray. We got the 3 cameras, main, wide, telephoto. We got the sensor here for the temperature, flash, and a nice logo right there for Google. Let's go ahead and power up this bad boy. Boom. We're gonna go ahead and set this phone up, download all the apps, and see how it performs. All right, now it is unboxed. Everything looks good. Like I mentioned, the 3 cameras at the back, the temperature sensor, nice feel, very premium feel. I don't know about the sides, the aluminum. I'm not sure if you guys are going to like it. It just seems a little bit on the cheap side, but they still have the RoboCop type thing, visor design here on the top for the cameras. It does have a 6.7-inch display. It does have the high refresh rate. The brightness peaks up to 2400 nits, so that's really great if you want to go outside and you want to look at your phone. Now there is a little sensor here, and you might be wondering what that is. So now Google Pixel announced that that's going to be a temperature sensor. So anytime you want to measure any type of temperature, you can do it now through that little sensor. It's now powered by their new Tensor chip G3 with 12 gigabytes of RAM. That should be plenty enough for you to multitask. But I've seen that people have run a benchmark test with this and the Galaxy and the iPhone, and both of those devices just outperform the Pixel 8 Pro. But the Pixel shines in the software. We're going to take a look at the software. We're going to play with it. We're going to see how well it performs with the Tensor G3. Now, Google has said that it's going to have 7 years of OS upgrade. Now, 7 years, if you think about it, that's 2030. Are people still going to have the Pixel 8? I don't know. Some people don't like to change phones. Some people don't like to upgrade. They like what they get and they stick to it for 5 to 7 years. I know some people that still have iPhone 8s and they don't plan on changing anytime soon. So some people are really happy with what they have and they stick to it. So hey, Google has said that it's going to be updated for the next 7 years. So all we can do is take the word for it, because MKBHD made a video that Google doesn't always keep up to their promises. So we're going to have to wait and see. So for the main kind of the core of this channel, we're going to take a look at the camera, see how they perform on social media. But let's go ahead and summarize the cameras. It does have a 50 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto that goes up to 5 times zoom. Now we're going to take a look and see how well this performs on social media. We're going to be trying out Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok. If you guys want to tune in on that video, it'll be on my next video. This is just the unboxing, just kind of taking the first impressions, but that video will be my next video that we're going to drop on this channel. So you guys stay tuned, turn on notifications, and be ready for that video when it comes out. So the pricing did go up $100 per model from last year, so that's something to take into consideration, but overall they're not bad prices. That was the unboxing of the Pixel 8 Pro. Stay tuned. We are going to review the cameras side by side with the S23, and we're going to review the social media part of this phone. So if you want to watch those videos, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, share the video, and turn on notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next video.